Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the point of sale system step by step tutorial. Today is day 1. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me my channel. Okay, let me start it. This is the welcome screen of point of sale system. Now I am going to teach how to design this form look like this. This will be our welcome screen of point of sale. Okay, let me see how to design this form. Okay, let's go to the file, new and project. Here I am going to browse and select the location where you are going to save your point of sale system software on your local machine. You have to select the area. I am going to save on D drive. Here I am going to create the new folder that will be good, new and folder. Here I am going to create the folder as point of sale new, point of sale new, and press enter key and apply the folder and select the folder. Here this will be the folder you have already selected. Okay, and here you can, if you want to change the name of the Windows form, you can select as point of sales and click OK. Whatever name you can give of your system, I name it as point of sales and click OK. Here, yes, this will be my blank C# Windows form I opened. This is the toolbar, this is the menus, this is the properties, this is the solution explorer. This is my work area where I am going to work. Okay, first let's design the form look like this. Go to here and first I am going to size the form. Click on this and you can get the size first. This is the size I put on the software. This height will be 488. Width will be, height will be 206. This will be the height, this will be the width. Okay, let me copy the size, height and width, and you can easily click on this. This will be the welcome screen. You can paste. This will be the size. Okay, otherwise you can, if you want to do the software with the default size, you can do it. Okay, let's do this software with this default size. Default size will be 520 and 401. This will be the width. First one is a width, second one is a height. Shall we reduce the width little bit smaller? It look like nice. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to style this form border. So go to the, click on the form, and here this will be the form border option. Defaultly come as sizable. This means this will be the sizable. This means this is sizable. I'm going to select as none. None will be no border style will be selected. Okay, at this time I am going to select as none. Okay, it looks great. Again, switch back here. You can see here no borders available. Now I am going to design the photo look like this. In C# we can't design like this. If you want to design better, those who knows Photoshop well, you can design and insert the photo on this background as a background. Okay, in this tutorial I'll teach, go to the Photoshop. It's simple step. Those who don't study Photoshop well, nothing matter. This very simple one. Okay, you can, if you watch this tutorial, you can catch up. Here, this will be the file. If you open the Photoshop, you can, this will be the user interface. Go to the file and new. Here you can measurement the size. You can get the size here. What is the size? Here, click on this here. This will be the height. You just copy here, go to the Photoshop window. This will be the width, just paste it, and again height we must. Okay, height will be must. Again go to the software C# software here, and here get the height, copy and paste it on the height box. Okay, you have to get the height and width of the form. This is the width of the form, this is the height of the form. Resolution will be 300. Okay, it doesn't matter, you leave it as default. Okay, here you have to make sure select as a pixel. Okay, you must select as pixel. This will be important. Okay, some if it is select as inches, it will be wrong. You must select as pixel. Okay, when you design and put the picture on the .NET framework. Okay, click OK. Okay, this will be our workspace. I'm going to design the welcome screen. Here I'm going to write something like this, C# post here, because click on the text tool. When you type the text, click on this one. Here you can see the color above. The color will be white. You can't write because the background also white. Here this will be the background also white. The right pen also white. You can't write, so that you have to change the color. Whatever color you need, you can change it. I'm going to change as a yellow. This will be my favorite color, so write C# post. That's it. After write, you have to apply this one. So you are in T tool. You just click on the move tool and apply it. Now you can, it will be applied automatically like this. Here, pause. Okay, now here I'm going to change the background color something different. Here double click on this background. Here this one, you just double click and click as layer. Here what I'm going to do is, here double click again. You have to select the color overlay, and here you have to select the color like this blue, nice blue, like this, something like this. Okay, something like this. Right. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, now click on the post. You can arrange like this. Okay. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut this area so little look great. So click on this layer. Sorry, again you have to create another layer 3 here. I'm going to draw this marquee tool, and here draw something like that, and here I'm going to color. So get the paint bucket tool and select the color as white, and here paint. Okay, here you are going to paint it. After that, I'm going to deselect the selection one. So select, deselect. That's it. Perfect. This is how you can create the image look like this. Okay, perfect. Now I am going to save this image. First what I did is, first when I opened this one Photoshop, I typed this text. After that, fill the color. How to fill the color? Double click on the background and make it as a layer. After that, double click on the layer and select the option color overlay and select the color and change the color which you want. After that, again I have created another layer. Click on this icon and create another layer and draw the shape. Get this marquee tool and draw the shape like this and fill the color. So go to the paint bucket tool and I fill the color. That is the stuff I done so far. After that, select and deselect the selection. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to save this image. So go to the file and save as and select your Photoshop project directory where you're going to save the file. Okay, my one is a point of sale, this one new. Okay, double click and open it. Here you can save. Before save, you have to select the format as JPG. Okay, defaultly come as PHD you can't save it. Okay, you can save it as a JPG. Okay, PSD mean it's a editable file. JPG mean this will be the format file where you're going to use in your C# form. Okay, this format. Okay, here let's change the name as welcome screen, something like that. Click save, click OK. Now you successfully saved the design file, your welcome screen file. Here this one will be different. Now I made the one will be something different. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, here click on this background. This will be the workspace. Here go to the properties, which is a background image. You can find the property here, background image. You have to find the property which is on the property window, which is a background image. You can see here. Okay, under the appearance you can see here. You just click on this one, you just click the arrow, you can get this small browse icon. Just select and here import, where you store the file on your local machine. Here it's already show here. Okay, if it is not show, you just go to the file where you're going to save on the picture. You just select on the file and select the picture, like this is the picture you saved, and open, click OK. Okay, here it fit on the it is successfully fit on the form. Okay, let's run and see the software. Here it successfully run. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, when the form will be started, it's coming at the center. Okay, so click on the form and here there will be the property here, starting position. Starting position mean when you start this project, this project started at the center. So click on this starting position property and defaultly come as Windows default location. Here you select as center screen. Okay, again go and click on start. You can see the project will be starting from the center. Okay, got it? Here I'm going to stop again. After that, I'm going to add the progress bar on my project. So go to the toolbox and find the progress bar from the toolbox. Okay, here this will be the progress bar in the toolbox. You just click on this toolbar and drag on your form like this. Here you can increase the size, little bit. It's so funny like this. Okay, right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to type the text which is a please wait. Okay, so go to the text box and find the tool which is a label. This will be the label. You just click and drag on your C# form. This will be the label. Okay, then I'm going to change the text. Right click and go to the properties and change this text as please wait. Press enter key on your keyboard. You can apply it. Now the text size are look small. Okay, I want to increase the letter size little bit bigger, so go to the font and increase the size little bit bigger, something like that. No, I want to reduce the size of the font. 22 will be enough. Okay, 22. Let's feel little bit bigger. 20 will be enough. Here. Now let's change the color. Font color. Default color will be black. You can change the color like this, same yellow or dark gold. Okay, this will be enough. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's run and see the system. Okay, this will be the system. This look like this. Now I successfully made the design. Now I am going to write the coding of this system. Okay, let's click stop and start the coding. Okay, so first what I am going to do is, before coding I have to drag one control on the form which is a timer control. That will be the must when you are creating the progress bar. Okay, this will be the progress bar. So go to the toolbox and select the tool which is a timer. This will be the timer. Just drag on your form like this. So if you drag, you can, underneath the form you can see the timer control. Here first time when you drag on your form, it's the property will be shown. This will be this property belongs to timer control. The timer control first property will be enabled false. Here you have to select as default coming as false. You must select as true. Okay, defaultly timer control come as false. You have to make as true. Okay, after that here you have to interval. Let's give as 400. Okay, let's set 400. I will teach why we are put the foot 400 later on. Okay, press enter key and apply it. That's it. Now let's double click on the form. Sorry, not double click. This will be the timer. Double click on the timer. If you double click, the coding view will be started here. This will be our first coding view. This will be this coding view belongs to timer control. So in this part I am going to write the coding within the timer control, because all this welcome string will be controlled by timer control. So that I am writing the coding within the timer control. First I am going here, go to the coding part here, double click here. This is the timer control here. Let's write progress bar 1 dot value. So here progress bar, the progress bar means this one. Click and right click and go to the properties. You can see this is the name of the progress bar. double click here, progress bar 1 dot value equal progress bar dot value plus 1. What is the meaning by this is the progress bar dot value. The progress bar value always starting from 1. The progress bar value is starting from 1. Okay, this one will be increment plus increment. Here the progress bar value starting from 1. After that it will be increment 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, likewise. After that wrote if progress bar value progress bar dot value greater than or equal to 100, show the second form. Okay, so I didn't create another form. Okay, let's create and explain this one. Add Windows form. Here I name this one as a login. If you don't know how to create the second form, go to the project and add Windows form. If you need another form, this is the way you have to create another form like this. The default name come as form 2. Here you have to change the name what you want. Here this time this will be the login. If it is a welcome screen process successfully, after that go to the login form. So that I wrote login at this is the login. Okay, here I write login. Login means this form name. You have to specify the form name here. Login. Here you have to create some object. Okay, ILN. I created whatever object you can create. New login. Sorry. Here is in login. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and at the end you have to put the colon mark. After that, this dot hide. After that, ln dot show. Okay, let's explain. Here the progress bar starting from 1. Okay, after that each and every increment by 1. It is increment by 1. When the value will reach, the progress bar value will reach greater than or equal to 100. It is greater than or equal to 100. It is greater than or equal. If this value reach greater than or equal to 100, the login form will be open. Okay, the progress bar will be only process 100. Above 100 it won't process. Here I mentioned like this. When it's reached, the value reached, here first it's starting from 1, each and every increment. After that 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, likewise. When it's reached 100 greater than or equal to 100, the condition will be true. After that it's not going to increment by 100 plus 1 101. It's not going to increment. Okay, it is show this one, this form, login form mean this one. Okay, this dot hide mean when the login form is started, this form mean this is a current form. This current form mean our form is form 1. This will be our welcome form. Okay, will be hidden. So that I put here hide. ln show mean our new form, which our login form will be show here. Okay, after that you have to write timer.enable. Again you have to put timer.enable equal to, after that your progress bar, you have to be if it is the progress part will be finished, so that I'm going to visible equal to false. It won't visible. After that I have to timer control will be, I have at the end timer also finished. If the progress bar will be finished, timer control also finished, so that again I am going to enable false. That's it. Once progress bar reach 100, the progress bar visible will be false. At the same time timer enables will be false. Okay, the results will be login form will be started, the current form will be done, the login form will be show our screen. Okay, let's run and see the result. What is the result we got here? Starting, you can start like this. Please wait, but if you feel it take too much time, you just stop it, and here click on the timer control. Is controlled by the timer control. You just click on the property, the interval, it's 400, each and every 400. Here if you reduce the one as a 200 and click start button, you can see the result. It is going fast like this. If you want more than fast, if you want quicker, if you make 100, it will be quicker than that. Here it's going very fast here, like this. It's loading fast. Okay, according to your purpose you can put. Okay, likewise. Okay, this will be your login form. I again click and back to the coding part. This will be the coding, the small coding I wrote. Okay, I hope you guys understood my coding part. If you have any doubts, ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Please come in touch with my point of sale system part 2 day 2 tutorial. Thank you for watching again.